If you are thinking about buying a wireless earbud and you don't want to spend tons of money on it, you should continue watching this video because at the end of it, you will get a very good option to consider. Hello guys, this is Hasib from What's Up Tech. So I have ordered a highly spec'd, highly rated, yet reasonably priced wireless earbud from Amazon. The name of the earbud is S22 Pro and it belongs from the company called Femo. Some of the key specifications are Bluetooth 5.2, 30 hours of long battery time, 13mm audio driver, and IP7 waterproofing. I have been using this device for 4 to 5 weeks, so I thought to share the review with you guys. So let's jump straight into the action without wasting any time. The unboxing experience is pretty straightforward. It contains the case, earpieces, the Type A to Type C charging cable, and some of the documentation stuff as well. I was expecting a fruit sticker, but I was disappointed with it. There is a deep cut on the front side of the device, which is shouting at your face to open the lid from this place. Below the cut is multi-purpose LED indicator and Type-C charging port is resting at the bottom side of the device. Let's talk about the earpiece. The earpiece has shorter and thicker stem. This is the sensor area. Above it is the LED indicator and the only microphone is residing on the outside of the earpiece. Let's talk about connectivity. Connecting S22 Pro with your phone is pretty straightforward. You open the lid, you open the Bluetooth menu of your phone, you will see S22 there, you pair the device and that's all. You don't have to press any button whatsoever. It's pretty straightforward. The audio quality of S22 is good. The bass is decent and it has well-rounded frequency range thanks to 13mm driver. The volume level is louder and even at the maximum volume levels, the audio quality is crisp. I have been listening to the music in the noisiest places without any issue. Talking about the issue, there is one minor thing to be noticed. The audio level is on a bit of quieter side during the call time. So when I'm talking with someone and walking on highway or in the noisy environment, I was struggling to hear to the other person. And the same can be said about the microphone as well. As S22 has only one microphone on the earpiece, it doesn't have noise cancellation. And while I was talking to someone in the noisy places, the other person was complaining about the noise. I'm not a big fan of touch gestures on S22 Pro. The actions are distributed across the earpieces. For example, a single tap on the right earpiece increases the volume. Doing the same on the left earpiece decreases the volume. A 2-second hold on the right earpiece moves to the next track. Doing the same on the left earpiece moves to the previous track. It requires a bit of time to learn these actions. But once you get used to it, it provides you plenty of options as well, like increasing the volume, decreasing the volumes. These options are not available in the competition. One of the main selling factor for any wireless earbud could be the battery timing. The battery timing of S22 is excellent. As I've used it for 4 to 5 weeks, I was consistently getting about 6 hours of listening time and 3 hours of talk time. And if you include the case, it gives you about 30 hours of listening time and 15 hours of talk time. That is pretty amazing. Okay, let's answer the main question, whether you should buy it or not. So let us compile the list of all the pros and cons. For 23 quids, you are getting decent audio quality, very good battery timing, waterproofing, reliable and fast connectivity as well. And the cons can be the volume levels are on the lower side during the talk time, and also there is no cover available for the case. If you are someone who is not worried about the volume levels during the call time in the noisy places, I would say you should go for it because for 23 quids you are getting very good value of the money. I have already recommended S22 to a couple of my colleagues in the office and their feedback is very good. They are really happy with the device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section whether you liked the video or not. Until next time, I'll see you guys again. Bye.